This is the bike disc brake, front brake disc. It can be locked. We can apply lock on these holes. We will see how to do that. This is the motor lock for the disc and different security systems. This is the stainless steel chain, and these are the big size locks, 12 levers, and this is the lock which I made. This is actually crane hook. I modified this. How to use this in bike as an anti-theft system. This is motor lock. It is very simple. What are all the things written on this is to against theft. And I purchased this from Amazon. This is very simple. It look like this. The lock will look like this, and these are the keys. When you turn right side and release it, the pin will be released. When you turn it and when you remove it, the pin will be locked. Earlier it was unlocked. Very simple. The size, have a look, thickness. It is near about 6 mm. The thickness of the pin, this pin is 6 mm. Let us see. Now let us see how to lock this on the disc. This is the cutting point. It must go into this. Put it here and remove the lock and put it anywhere. This is the hole. It must go inside of this and remove it. It is locked. I will remove the vehicle and see what happens. When it comes here, this part will obstruct this, and the wheel cannot be moved forward. See. Now the wheel will stuck up here. So sometimes if the thief doesn't know that you applied the front wheel disc lock, so there may be a damage to this. But finally what happens, the thief will also come to know that there is something obstructing on the disc, and he will stop robbing your vehicle. That's what I have made. Another choice also is that along with this, I have another locking system. This locking system is very nice to use this. This is the locking system. It is having 2 holes. Here also 2 holes. See what happens. I am applying here. See, applied and lock removed. By this also you can lock the wheel. You can lock the wheel. It is the secondary measure. And the other measures are different methods also for locking the vehicle. In the next video we will see how to use this. I already told about this. We will see how to use this. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again.